If you're running a local business, you know the struggle. Getting noticed online can feel like this constant uphill battle. You're doing your best to follow Google's rules, right? But if I told you that some of the official advice might actually be hurting your business, let's talk about that, right? Is Google's advice sabotaging your business visibility? Now, I know that sounds a little dramatic, but when you talk to the real pros, the people who are in the trenches of local SEO every single day, you find out that in some really critical moments, the answer is a resounding yes. So let's dive into our first piece of, let's call it, misleading advice from Google. And we're going to talk about the pretty high stakes situation here, one that can literally make or break your business's online reputation. What you're supposed to do when you buy another company. This is where we see the quote unquote official way. Well, it's not always the best way. Oh my gosh, don't do that. That is the actual reaction from a top local SEO expert when they read Google's official instructions on this. That's not just like a disagreement. That's a full 5 alarm fire kind of warning. So what on earth could Google be suggesting that would cause that kind of reaction? Okay, well, this is where it's pretty wild. Google's official advice, if you acquire a business, is to create a brand new Google business profile from scratch. But the pro move, and what every expert will tell you to do, is to take ownership of and update the existing profile. These are polar opposite instructions, and one of them is incredibly destructive. And here's why it's so damaging. When you follow Google's advice and create a new profile, you're not just starting over, you're literally hitting the delete button on a valuable asset that you just paid for. You lose every single one of those hard-earned reviews. You completely erase years of local SEO history and all those signals that tell Google this is a legit, trusted business. You're back at square one. Honestly, it's like buying a beautiful house and immediately bulldozing it because you just wanted to change the mailbox. It makes no sense. All right, so we've just looked at a huge trap you need to avoid. Now let's flip the script. We're going to go from avoiding a major pitfall to uncovering a hidden gem. We're talking about forgotten SEO powerhouse that can land you some seriously easy wins, mainly because your competitors have probably written it off completely. And that powerhouse is Yellow Pages. Yeah, I know. I know you're probably thinking, Yellow Pages, for real? Isn't that the giant book my grandparents used as a doorstop? Just hear me out for a second because the data tells a very, very different story. Here it is. This is the kicker. In a recent study looking at where Bing gets its review data, Yellow Pages ranked number 5. That is active. That's an influential source of data for the biggest search engine in the world. And it's not just a Bing thing. Why does Yellow Pages still matter so much? Well, for one, its own pages still rank well in organic search. Go search something like plumbers in Denver. I bet you see a Yellow Pages right there near the top. Over in Europe, Google actually pulls Yellow Pages reviews right into its own Google business profiles. So the bottom line is that the big search engines and even the new AI models are referencing it heavily. And as long as Google is taking the time to crawl and index it, that's a massive signal for us that still has a ton of value. So how do you actually use this to your advantage? It's super simple. Here's a 4-step plan. First, go and find and claim your business listing. It's probably already there. Second, make sure every piece of information is 100% accurate. Name, address, phone number, and website. It all has to be perfect. Third, optimize the heck out of it. Add photos, videos, fill in every single box they give you. And last, just start sending a few review requests its way. You don't have to go crazy here. Maybe just send every 10th customer to Yellow Pages. It's such a powerful, low effort win that your competition is almost certainly sleeping on it. All right, let's pull this together in a really simple action plan for you. This is all about taking the insider knowledge we've just talked about and turning it into actual results that you can get started on today. So the challenge, acquiring a business. The solution, ignore Google's advice. Update the existing profile, don't create a new one. The first step is to get ownership of the original ASAP. The challenge, find those untapped opportunities. The solution, leverage surprising authority of Yellow Pages. Your first step is to go and claim and fully optimize that listing today. It's that simple. And that brings us to the final thing. If a site that most of us wrote off as a fossil, like Yellow Pages, is still a major player in local SEO, well, it really makes you wonder whether it's the official rules or a bit of common SEO wisdom are just plain wrong. What other massive opportunities are sitting there hiding in plain sight? I'm going to try and find them. Hit like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next great video. More insights into what SEO is going to be and mean for visibility for your business in the next 5-10 years. Catch you in the next video.